Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock and its price action, and let's identify what is the price action telling us. Well, so as a bear, it's definitely in your favor right now. It's still been rejecting at that very level underneath of around $234. Above that only was a bit of continuation, and that would have been at least 20 days moving average, but it's not being able to still get out of that pivot. So you can see overall structure still continues to remain in the downtrend. Now I want to take it from the perspective of both bulls and the bears, and that's how I want to be talking about the stocks moving forward. So because it helps in clarifying a lot of the things. So if you have your interest on the bullish side, you can then easily understand, okay, what are the things you are watching in the price action, and if you are a bear, and then you can easily also understand this way, what are the levels you're watching, what is the price action telling us. So from the lens of the bulls, let's talk about that first. From the lens of the bulls, we right now, even intraday, not in the bullish structure. Overall structure is still negative, it's still bearish. And so bullish play was just the intraday rebounds from here, as we talked about back then, and that was until 234, until the pivot down there. We tried again, bulls tried again. Let's go to the hourly interval. And yeah, so here we are. So bulls tried again, and this was the level I provided you again yesterday. If we can get above 226, bulls were able to take it higher. Same area, 233 to 234. But then that was it. And then unfortunately, once Tesla lost today 20, 50 hours moving average, breaking this previous pivot of 230 and losing that, while staying below 200 hours moving average, this was it. There was no point in staying bullish below 20 and 50 hours moving average here. For today's continuation, we wanted to get above 233, right? So as a bull, if you are bullish on Tesla, right now, things are not in your favor. And the only thing that can, if you have to be bullish, or if there is a bullish play without falling further lower, Tesla needs to get above 225, then some. Again, we can talk about the bullish upside. Otherwise, no. All right. So this is from the lens if you're a bull. Now let's talk about from the lens of the bears, right? So as a bear, yes, this is where the structural resistance was, right, of the previous pivot, and we rebounded in the downtrend. And if any position as a bear, if you were interested to take, that would have been, definitely at this rejection level. Today's confirmation, well, 234 rejection level, and the confirmation for that was pretty much staying below 200 hours moving average and failing to stay above 20 and 50, and you start to see this price weakening down here and then breaking lower. And that was pretty much it. And yes, so stop loss could be on the other side into the blue box or above your pivots, however you want to do it. But yes, things are in bear's favor, and they will remain to stay in the bear's favor as long as we don't break above 225 and 97 cents from now. So any rebound if it comes, but if it rejects to go above 225, things will still remain in the benefit of bears. All right, only above 225 without falling further is what will constitute a little bit of a upside again. Otherwise, no. So I think this is more easily explainable now, right? When I separated bulls and the bears. So now you can understand, if you are a bull, what you are watching. If you are a bear, what you are watching. Now, as if Tesla continues to stay below 225 and 90 cents, and so this is the pivot, 219. Once we lose this, I don't think anything is stopping Tesla this time to come to 214, because we are then also losing this pivot. It's right now, I'm not seeing any bullish sign on Tesla. It's really just cracking lower and lower. It's trying its best, but unfortunately it's not able to do much out of it. So yeah, right now, yeah, things are not looking in the bull's favor for sure, guys. So not even seeing any higher pivot, no matter what level you pick, right? So things are not good for Tesla right now. So yeah, you can see in the pre-market we lost that 230, and that's 20 and 50 hours moving average on hourly interval that I showed you. Any rebound that came definitely was a short, because we lost that critical area. It's just retesting it, rebounding, and then sold off, right? So that's that, right? Yeah, it's weak. Tesla is weak. So overall, bears are in more control of Tesla for sure, no doubt about that. And let's see if we continue much lower. And then if you are a bull, your next area, if let's say Tesla doesn't go up 225 from here, your next area of interest would be around 214 or 50 days moving average. That's your next area of interest to watch what the price action does there. And if anything else will develop, I'll talk about it later when the market has also closed. Right now, market is still open. But yeah, so Tesla is right now going through some rough time, right? So let's take a look at weekly interval as well real quick. I'll show you SPY and QQ as well in this video. And yeah, we continue to stay below 200 weeks moving average still on Tesla. All right. So that's that. Let's take a look at QQQ and SPY as well real quick. So SPY, guys, is selling off. It regained the actually bullish structure above this level of 546 and 84 cents yesterday. Thanks to a lot of earnings as well. Meta is still positive today, but seems like everything else is not. We have Apple's earnings today, guys. Again, this week is very volatile in the stock market. A lot of earnings are happening. Is the Amazon as well today? Yeah, Amazon and Apple are today. We'll see what happens. Yeah, but if you just look at technically on SPY, yeah, SPY structure again has lost, breaking below 547. We lost it. We'll see what Apple and Amazon does this week. You will, yeah, it's just gonna chop around quite a lot. But that was that. We got above 546 and 88 cents. The play was only until 20 days moving average. Then we are rejecting there. Losing 546 and 88 cents it's pretty much lost the pivot there already. So it's problem. So yeah, things are looking again back in the control of bears on SPY. Taking a look at QQ was already negative. We had a little bit of a glimpse of hope, 467 and above, but we never took out this previous pivots up here at 473, and we just rejected there today. Below also 50 days moving average rejected, and yeah, QQ is just in much more a sell-off and deeper red stuff. So, but yeah, anyways, so yeah, QQ is much more in bears control as well today again. So. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll be doing other videos today as well as, things will develop, and aftermarket as well. We'll cover the earnings as well. So I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.